Liebe Freunde, herzlich willkommen zu unserem Sprachprogramm. Hearty welcome to the German language program offered by D-Sales Academy. Today, we are going to speak about one of the important concepts to be dealt with in German language A1 level, that is, personal pronomen im Akkusativ. We know in any language the concept of noun is very important. We speak of noun as name of a person, place or a thing. And then again we use pronomen instead of a noun in different situations. And always this pronomen is controlled by the gender as well as the number of the persons. We have got first person singular plural, second person singular plural, and third person singular plural. We know in German language there are also 4 cases, which are nominative case, accusative case, dative case, and genitive case. We have already done a video on personal pronomen in nominative case, wherein we said nominative case is expressed with a reference to, in relation to, subject of the sentence. Today, our video is concerned about personal pronomen in accusative case. In German language, in order to refer to the direct object in a sentence, we use accusative case. There are different situations in which we use accusative case. Accusative case is used in different situations in a sentence. Accusative case is used with direct object in a sentence. It is also used after accusative prepositions, and again accusative case is used after accusative verbs, and also accusative case is used with Zeitangaben. Today in this video we are not going to deal about different situations in which accusative case is used. Instead, we are going to speak about accusative pronomen. Let us consider some of the example sentences. Let's look at the first example. Ich habe einen Freund. Besucht mich morgen. Second example. Du bist sehr freundlich. Sarah möchte dich für die Party einladen. Wir besuchen Oma am Wochenende. Die Oma kocht eine Suppe für uns. Look at these 3 examples. In the first example sentence, ich habe einen Freund. Besucht mich morgen. So, I have a friend. He visits me tomorrow. In this sentence, ich is personal pronomen in nominative case, whereas mich is personal pronomen in accusative case, because here mich forms as the direct object. Look at the second example. Du bist sehr freundlich. Sarah möchte dich für die Party einladen. Here du is personal pronomen in nominative case, and the corresponding personal pronomen in accusative case is dich. Third sentence. Wir besuchen Oma am Wochenende. Die Oma kocht eine Suppe für uns. Wir is subject, and again personal pronomen in nominative case, and personal pronomen in accusative case is uns. Let's see the different personal pronomen in accusative case. Für ich, personal pronomen in accusative case is mich. Du, dich. Ihn, sie, es. Wir, uns. Ihr, euch. Sie, and again sie. Ich is personal pronomen, nominative case, first person singular. Corresponding to that ich, we have got in accusative case mich, and plural we have wir in nominative case, accusative case it is uns. Du, second person singular, informal in nominative case, in accusative case second person singular, informal is dich. Second person plural, informal in nominative case is ihr, whereas in accusative case it becomes euch. Third person singular in nominative case is whereas in accusative case is ihn. Third person singular sie, and again in accusative case again it is sie. For s it is also again s. For plural, third person plural in accusative case, nominative case is sie, and accusative case is also sie. And you would find another sie on the board, wherein this sie is second person singular and plural formal, and in accusative case also it is sie. Let's analyze few more examples in this regard. Ich habe morgen frei. Meine Mutter besucht mich morgen. Ich is subject, personal pronomen in nominative case. In accusative case, in the corresponding sentence is mich. Meine Mutter besucht mich morgen. Second sentence, du bist immer lustig. Ich finde dich freulich. Du is in nominative case, second person singular, informal, and the corresponding, the accusative case it is dich. Hat eine Sekretärin. Sie kocht für ihn einen Kaffee. Here, nominative case, third person singular is corresponding to that in accusative case is ihn. Sie ist Krankenschwester. Die Patienten fragen sie immer etwas. If you look at the board, you will be able to see nominative case is sie, third person singular sie, which stands for feminine, and in accusative case is also it is sie. So dear friends, you had a good understanding about personal pronomen in accusative case. Here you have got a number of exercises. Take up this challenge and try to complete this exercise. If you are able to find correct answers for these questions given, you would have correctly understood what accusative personal pronomen is. So let's look at the questions one by one. Ich möchte verreisen. Haben Sie ein Sonderangebot für? Please fill the Lücke. Ich habe für mich und eine Wochenendreise gebucht. Look at the question number 3. Ich kann auch gleich Karten für Tarzan für reservieren. We have got 2 more questions. Der Hamburger Hafen ist toll. Man kann mit dem Schiff besichtigen. And the final question, the final challenge for you, ist das Maritime Museum interessant? Ich möchte gerne besuchen. My dear friends, take few moments and try to do this exercise by yourselves. And if you are able to complete this exercise successfully, you would have really understood what personal pronomen in accusative case means. We wish you again a nice time of learning with us. Vielen Dank.